Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Now click on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photo right away, or even multiple ones, or select Gallery section and pick them from here. This time though, you need to choose Add at the top right corner. You can also click on Gallery section, click on Folders over here, and hold one of your pictures that you wish to add. In my case, this one. Lastly, tap on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!